Hey, this is John with Online Verve, and today I want to make a video about how to be successful with launch jacking. And what is launch jacking? Well, it's a way to very quickly take advantage of product launches in the internet marketing or make money online space. There's a lot of products being launched every day in the internet marketing space that people are looking to purchase. And usually, before they make a purchase, a lot of times they want to learn more about that product. So they go to Google and even more so, they go to YouTube and they look for reviews, either online, through a blog, or primarily more and more through YouTube review videos. And so there's a product that came out, and I've tried launch jacking over the years, and you may have as well, but it just never really clicked for me. There's a guy that does great job teaching called J.K. Dowdle, and he came out with his product about launch jacking on October 27th. So here we are on Muncheye. Muncheye is a website where you can see all the product launches coming out. You know, the big name product vendors over here, and then every single one of them over here. Let me go and find his. I believe it was October 27th. And I really respect JK. He teaches in a very down-to-earth way. He makes things super explainable and easy to understand. And he has a series called RIMS, which stands for Really Helpful Internet Marketing Stuff. And he's had, this is his fifth volume of his RIMS training that has come out, and this one was about launch jacking. And so I, was hesitant because I've never really had success with launch jacking before, but I decided, hey, let me give it a try. I like JK, I like how he teaches, and what he teaches, it works. And so I went ahead and I bought it. So if you go over to the JV page, you can see, it came out October 27th, and the launch was going to end on November 2nd. So I bought it when it came out on October 27th. Okay, and I went through the course. I'll go inside the membership area in a minute here and show you. And really only went about halfway through it, and he had some really, really insightful things about the launch cycle, about how to pick a product, how to promote it, etc. Quite different from anything I had really read or seen before about launch jacking. And so I said, I'm going to give it a try. Nothing happens unless you take action. And so I said, I'm going to make a review video about his new product, RIMS 5.0 launch jacking, and see if I can, have a result for what he's teaching. And so that's what I did. I went and made a, since I bought the product, I went in, I made a review about it, and I put it up on YouTube to try to get some traffic and to see what would happen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up a incognito window, and we're going to go to YouTube, and I'm just going to, because here we are incognito, just so you can see it is a incognito window. And people, they come and they search for the product name plus review or product name plus bonus. So they're going to search for, let's just say, start with this one, RIMS 5, okay? And you can see here's the first video, the second, and then here's mine in the third spot. They may also search for, he goes 5.0, so they might search for RIMS 5.0. And I think I'm further down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for that keyword. Or they might come in and do, RIMS 5.0 review. I think I'm even further down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or they might come in and just they know it's about launch jacking, and so they just say RIMS 5.0 launch jacking. And when we do it that way, then I come up in the number 1 spot. But you can see for these 4 different keywords, my video is either in the 1st, 3rd, 5th, or 7th position. And so you can get a lot of free traffic around this. And one thing he talked about in the course is the product launch cycle and how you can ride what's called the closing wave, because most sales during a product launch happen either at the very beginning, in the first day or two, and then at the very end. Now, if we go back, you can see that his launch ended November 2nd. So today is, let me bring this down so you can see, today is November 3rd. If I get myself out of the way. November 3rd. So the launch ended yesterday. And so I put my video out, what did I put it out? 2 days ago. So November 1st. So my video actually went live on YouTube. And you can see how you can, get it to rank fairly easily because it's a low competition keyword, right? So you're not really having much competition other than other people that are also trying to launch Jack. And you can see there's a lot of videos about it. But you can rank pretty high if you know how to do that. And so I wake up this morning and I check my emails, as I always do, and I get a notice from Warrior Plus that I had made a sale of RIMS 5.0 from J.K. Dowdle. And so this is yesterday, November 2nd. Again, I put my video up November 1st, and then November 2nd, the last day of the launch, I made a sale. I sent, 4 people went, and this is, I only promoted this product on YouTube in that video that I showed you on YouTube. I did not promote it through email or a blog or anything else. Nothing else. No social media, nothing. The only thing I did to promote this was that one video, just one, that I put up on YouTube that I just showed you in those incognito browser there. And so from that one video, I got 4 people that actually went to the sales page, and one of them purchased, so 25% conversion rate, which is pretty nice, and made a commission of $13, which is not a ton, but to me it was just great proof that, hey, the method JK teaches in this RIMS 5.0 course, it actually works. It is quite a bit different from other launch jacking courses that I've taken in the past. And so that was just exciting to see that, hey, this actually works. I can really maybe go ahead and take this on. Now, I do a lot of other things online, and so I don't do launch jacking, but I'm really intrigued to kind of add this as a side project. But I could see someone could do this really as their primary focus and really build up their sales, their status, their profile, and these affiliate platforms, and really do pretty well. Now, if we look at stats from today, you'll see, there we go. Another person did come from my video today. I didn't make a sale, unfortunately, but there you go. So still got another person coming over. So I wanted to make this video for you. I do want to take you inside. This is inside. Again, I did purchase, so I bought this myself. Really helpful internet marketing stuff series from JK. I've bought, I think, all 5. I may have missed one, but I think I bought all 5. And this is RIMS 5.0, the Launch Jacking Guide. So if you want to see a more full review of the product itself, you certainly can go and look for the video that I showed you in the incognito browser. But basically, he's going to do an overview of launch jacking, how to find the products, how to get approved as an affiliate, how to get early pre-release access so you can review it, and then how to pick the right products. So obviously, that's very important. You don't want to promote junk, and why it's important. Now, you can see this is where I finished, right? So after I bought this, I only got this far where the check marks are. I still need to finish this course. But, and I'm going to finish the course because it's great. But I got this far, and to be honest, these 2 sections here were very eye-opening for me. They were things I had never really thought about or heard about in other training. And so now this is not a cheap course. It was $27 during the launch week, and I think it's going to go to $47. But do not let that deter you. When you buy junk for $7, you get junk. When you buy quality for $47, you get quality and you get results, as I just showed you. He's got some great case studies in here. He shows how this product, he did over $9,500, this product, $3,500, this product, $3,000. And these are very realistic. Now, you just need to take the time to go through it and implement it. Again, you got to take action or nothing happens. And that's really why, as I went through it, because I was skeptical, but again, like I said, I knew JK He's a great teacher. He really does what he teaches. He's not selling theory, etc. And that's why I was very interested to see how he was teaching launch jacking, because I know the ways I had tried it in the past didn't work. And that's why when I got probably just halfway through the course, I said, hold on, let me put this into practice. Let me see if it works. And so I made the review video and I put it up on YouTube. And as you saw in my Warrior Plus account, I made a sale. So it works. So I hope you find this helpful. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I hope to provide more helpful content for you in the future. And if you do want to purchase RIMS 5.0 Launch Jacking Guide, there's be an affiliate link in the description box below. I appreciate it if you do buy it through my affiliate links. Thanks so much.